So you're having a black screen on Epic Games Launcher, yeah? So I'm going to show you how you can fix it. First of all, make sure it is closed on the task manager, fully closed, just click on exit. So after you have closed it, fully closed it, you go on My PC, you go on your local disk, you go on Program Files, x86, and then you go on Epic Games, Launcher, Engine, Binaries, and you click on Windows 64, so you see a lot of DLL files, and you try to look for an executable file. That is this one, okay? So you just click on Run, you just click on Open. You can run as administration whatever you want, and then you just wait. So guys, this depends on what is your system. If you are using Windows 32, it will appear Windows 32 here, and you choose so. And if you're using 64, you will do the same. Alrighty boys, so as you can see over here, after a time loading it, it's now verifying the things, the file, so it means that it works now, preparing the Epic Games Launcher. And yeah, that's basically it. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.